Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. I hope you have a blessed day today. You see, pray a day trendy dancehall. And from when you see the video, you're supposed to know say it I got warm like the fire we blaze. Okay, people. So what you know? Residents has set Coronation Market burning to the ground. You see me? And a lot of Jamaicans often know Coronation Market. Bend down the place there. You see it? Them local place so them bend down and pick up things on them someday, isn't it? But this happened around late last night, cause like this made the morning news so far because it's all over the place basically, isn't it? But I hear say the protesters them and the stuff, isn't it? So I'm not really sure what's going on, but me have some clippings where me I go share with you, so hope you stay tuned in other video, isn't it? And do subscribe if you're not subscribers yet.
Under fire, massive blaze happening right now. Downtown, Ray ground, gone again, burn down again.
People, one more for ask the trendy dancehall. So when you burn down Coronation Market, I wanna feel I got happen. I wanna think I go suffer the consequences. You see me? I want to know say right now with the whole situation taking place here in Jamaica is not foreign. I understand say monkey see, monkey do. That's the next saying of saying follow fashy monkey. And I get for say Jamaica no know what they want in a real life. You see me? Real life shit. People, Coronation Market is a place essential. We'll make sure I come back and use that every day, see me? And that just not make no sense. No sense whatsoever. Like, you gotta look for bun down a Coronation Market seeker protesting. Remember this. A lot of people is gonna lose income. The police station is right across the road. Yet still I burn down the Coronation Market. Look, me not telling you to burn down the police station, but look how near it there. You see me? I did a wonder one night time, you see me, if Jaja, yo. Them just don't make no sense whosoever do this. I can sure say some poor people I do them something, you see me, because poor people always bring down poor people, you see me. No matter how simple that just sound, you see, them only did think about themselves, I swear, because like, what the heck, that just don't make any sense, people, and comment if you agree, this just don't make no sense, right there, so, you see me, yeah man. Straight up. Always poor people are hold back poor people in a life. I can bet that any money the person that give order is me. So, Jaja. Only God know ya is me. Yeah man. So yeah, so with everything said and done people, I just want you to know this kind of make me pre-Jamaican people more skeptic and stupid, you get me? Yeah. Afraid of some of them dunce people here. Remember that.
This is Ray ground, bend down market, completely engulfed. Man, them light it a fire after we come on a contact since night. Everything under fire, massive blaze happening right now. Downtown, Ray ground, gone again, burn down again.
Yo.
Them building they come out, mop them feel the heat or whatever the case is and jump home. See it, brother?
Watch it.
Jesus.
Check this live.
This is Ray ground, bend down market, completely engulfed. Man, them light it a fire after we come on a contact since night. Everything under fire, massive blaze happening right now. Downtown, Ray ground, gone again, burn down again.